Camp Administration 101. Preventative maintenance at camp. Whether you own and operate your facilities or have a user group agreement, we all have the responsibility to ensure those facilities are safe, clean, and last the test of time. Maintaining these facilities properly is the key to make sure this happens. Here are 5 things you can do to help with the longevity of your facilities. 1. Have a plan. A preventative maintenance plan is essential to keeping up with your facility use and makes it much easier to maintain. 2. Prioritize maintenance tasks by liabilities and hazards first, mandates second, and then routine maintenance. 3. Do maintenance facility inspections daily to identify maintenance needs. 4. Clean and organize your facility before, during, and after every camp session. Take preventative maintenance seriously, and your facilities will be safer, cleaner, and last longer to provide a great place to play for your campers for years to come.